Hi everyone. The following are four sounds. Number 1. Bother. Sorry to bother you. Number 2. Charming. You have a charming smile. Number 3. Always. Always say please and thank you. Number 4. Important. It's important to practice English every day.